Welcome to Bikesphere, your go-to channel for everything motorcycles. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 dirt bike. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, this dirt bike promises to deliver an exciting ride for every adventure enthusiast. Let's dive in. Design and build. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 brings a bold new design with enhanced durability and style. Its lightweight frame and compact structure make it perfect for off-road adventures. The redesigned body gives it a more aggressive look while maintaining the ruggedness needed for rough terrains. With its high-mounted exhaust and sharp lines, it's built to withstand whatever you throw at it. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Xpulse 200 is a 199.6 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. With improved fuel injection and a punchy torque output, this bike offers a smooth yet powerful ride. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or navigating through muddy paths, the 2025 Xpulse engine ensures you've got the performance you need to power through. With its 6-speed gearbox, shifting feels seamless, and acceleration is quick and responsive. Suspension and handling. One of the standout features of the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is its top-notch suspension system. The 10-step adjustable front telescopic fork and monoshock rear suspension provide excellent comfort and control, even over rough terrain. This makes it incredibly stable during high-speed off-road riding and enhances overall handling. It's the perfect companion for those looking to push their limits on challenging trails. Technology and features. The 2025 Xpulse 200 is packed with advanced tech features. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all the essential data, including trip meters, fuel consumption, and more. Hero has also incorporated a Bluetooth connectivity option, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for navigation and notifications. This combination of tech and practicality keeps you connected while on the go. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 dirt bike is a powerhouse for anyone looking for a capable and versatile off-road bike. With its impressive performance, durable design, and modern features, it's built for adventure seekers who want to explore beyond the beaten path. If you're in the market for a new dirt bike, the Xpulse 200 should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Bikesphere for more in-depth reviews, updates, and all things motorcycles. See you in the next one.